Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to look at Cyber City, which is a first of its kind play to earn a game in the metaverse, and they're going to have an NFT launch coming up very shortly, which should be really exciting indeed. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see pretty cool website. These are the various characters etc that are going to be associated with the game that are being sold in the NFTs. So slightly more traditional style comic book characters, but overall pretty cool. In terms of what the whole project is about, in the not so distant future, Cyber City dominates the planet and corporations run the world. These corporations control all the wealth and resources, leaving the inhabitants of the city in a dire existence. Cyber City streets are ugly, cruel and dangerous. A perfect environment for the strongest and most cunning to claw their way to the top. So obviously you can get an idea perhaps of what the gameplay is going to entail. Obviously probably perhaps a survival of the fittest, etc. And obviously then various rewards for people who perform particularly strongly. Jumping over to the white paper then guys, which I always recommend doing whenever you find a new project that you're potentially interested in. Always loads of information that's hidden away in here. And in terms of Cyber City, there's various different features that we need to pay attention to here. It's all about defending your own land, fighting for them, gaining resources, etc. from other players, and this is going to help you build a passive income. It's an immersive player versus player gameplay and complete with generous rewards. And you can also kind of team up with other players around the world to perform tasks and gain more rewards, etc. There's going to be loads and loads of different characters, loads of different gameplay, and lots of different features that keep it interesting and exciting. And also it will be worth grinding out because of the rewards, and also probably it's going to be quite fun as well. In terms of the unique aspects, there's going to be 10,000 unique characters and 10,000 unique city blocks, making a passive income. Groundbreaking play to earn global MMO with city building management elements, full-scale battlegrounds with a turn-based battle system, and intertwined social interactions between players and clans. Now previously with places to earn games, they were not necessarily that interesting as playable games, but perhaps just a way to earn a bit of money on the side. Now these games are getting super advanced and will start competing with games that were originally just played for fun on Xbox, PlayStation or Mac or the computer or the PC, for example. So as I already mentioned guys, there's going to be 10,000 unique characters that are coming out at the launch. There are going to be 4 different characteristics, different body types, weapons, companion here, you can see the dog, and then the clan here is probably indicated by the fact they're wearing green. I'm not really sure how they're sort of differentiated between clans, but that's what I would assume. As you can see, there's various clans, various weapons, various types of rarity, and other features that kind of separate each player from one another. And as well, coming down, you can find out more information about each of the clans. Here you can see Cyber Samurai, the Hague, as well as shapeshifters and many other types, all of them with their own unique features, so make sure you come and check it out. As always, link in the description. In terms of the gameplay, you can see a map view here of what the actual game itself would be looking like. The game is divided into 2 main gameplay parts: Cyber City maps and battles. In terms of the city maps, you can see that there's 10,000 city cells like this one you can see in the image here, and each of these is basically an NFT that can be bought, sold, traded, etc. on an NFT marketplace. Okay, it's all about basically creating your own land and using that land to perhaps develop your clans, etc. You can then attack other clans and keep their land, and also you have to defend your own land because you potentially could lose it if you are not defending it correctly. Coming down through guys, you can see when it gets to battles, etc. This is kind of what you have, like a zoomed in view of the city map from before. And as well as that, there's loads of other features within the game. You can see farming, fighting, trading, participating in various things. It's going to get you rewards for various stuff. What else is really cool guys, they have their own marketplace where you can see that each player can buy, sell NFTs, including the city lands, the characters, the auctions, etc. and NFT boxes, which I guess would be mystery boxes containing various rewards, features, or perhaps tools that could be used. And then coming down through, you can see like examples of different profiles. It's got all the details in terms of like characters and all the kind of clans and things that they belong to. And then also that you've got like character skins, things that you can change Also then how you're defending your land, etc. Lots of details in here, kind of quite cool, lots of different features around this game. Coming down to the roadmap then guys, which is super important in any project because we need to look at projects that have good longevity into the future. You can see that we're already now in April 2022. Siberians Unleashed NFT unboxing. Finally, Siberians are unleashed. Users can open the NFT boxes from the Genesis Wave, and we're going to look at what that means in just a moment in terms of what an NFT box is. Siberians will receive characters, weapons, companions, and city blocks that can be traded in the NFT marketplace. Moving into the second part of April 2022, Cyber Token Public Sale. Cyber City will launch its public sale of its token, CYBR, which will eventually lead to a DEX and central exchange listings. Users can earn CYBR tokens through staking the ALM token and owning city blocks NFTs in Cyber City, and then later on in the year, towards the summer, we're going to see Cyber City Beta. Cyber City will release its beta version in July 2022. It will establish the new standard of play-to-earn gaming and it aims to entice more traditional gamers to learn more about GameFi and NFTs, which is what we were talking about earlier. Obviously, if you've been interested in gaming before, fine, but you're going to be more interested in games that offer not just fun gameplay and stuff like that, but also chances to win rewards and much, much more. So jumping over to Genesis is now live, guys. This is basically the NFT. And we're going to find out a little bit about the different boxes, etc. You can see small boxes, one epic character, one deadly weapon, one loyal companion. Medium box is going to have 3 of each of those, and then a giga box is going to have 5 of each of these. Obviously, going to come at different values, but ultimately, probably by buying the bigger ones, you get better value for money, I would imagine. Here, you can again go through all the characters in a bit more detail if you want to find out more information, see more of the pictures, etc., and then see more information about the city blocks and lots of other things. As well as that, for the different clans, there's going to be different drops, etc., so you can go and find the clan that you want to be a part of and join the drop whenever it happens. You can see these ones have dates next to them that you can go and follow. Some of them TBA, so you have to wait patiently for those drops. It's always worth trying to join whitelists for NFT projects because it allows us to, one, buy at cheaper prices most of the time, and also guarantees that we actually are able to mint one, particularly on the most popular projects. Now, in order to get yourself onto the NFT whitelist space, you're going to have to put your Discord username, so obviously joining the Discord, which you can do through the main web page, and then you can say all the things that you're interested in, choose the box for the liquidity collection, what you want. Obviously, if you're not prepared to buy the big gigabox or whatever, you want a small one, then you can click on each of these and then add a few more features as you go through. And obviously as well, guys, you're going to need a MetaMask. If you don't already have a MetaMask, guys, just jump over to Google and search for MetaMask, add the extension, and then you can just follow a few tutorials, very quick and easy, to set up your Phantom wallet within your MetaMask in order to do this. Also, guys, if you use the referral code CryptoGems, which is written down below along with a link, then you'll potentially get a better chance of earning a spot on the whitelist, as well as that potentially win giveaways, bonuses, etc. Coming down to the clans, guys, you can see that there's 5 separate clans, and they all have a little bit of information about them. First one, Alum Finance. Alum Finance was born from the early 21st century project. Their struggle to decentralize the world structure still lives on in the hearts and mind of the clan's descendants. Obviously, this is kind of like futuristic, associated with crypto, metaverse, etc., which makes it pretty cool and potentially might be a good way to educate yourself about crypto and metaverse. Coming down to look at the clans, guys, you can see that there's 5 different clans, and each of them has like one main character, like Liquidifity. And each of these has a signature character. For example, Liquidifity has the Shapeshifter, Ulti Arena has a Street Fighter, Hyperjump has Mercenaries, and then NFTB is Tech Priests. Lots of different ones you can see, guys. If you click on characters, you can come and find out more about each of those individual characters that are associated with each of the clans. So when you choose your box, depending on which one of these you choose, you will end up with one of the characters that's associated with that clan. So obviously, if you want to get a certain type of character, then make sure you choose the associated or appropriate clan to do so. Jumping over to their Twitter, always important when you're looking at new NFT projects, etc. And you can see they've already got 25,000 followers, which is pretty substantial. As well as that, guys, if you go down through their page, they have various giveaways for whitelist spots, 30% discount sale, and other features to go and check out. So get involved in the Discord, get involved in the Twitter, share, retweet, and help build the community, and you're usually going to be well rewarded for doing so. So just to recap, guys, Cyber City is a really cool play-to-earn game based in the future. There's loads of different NFTs available from different clans, etc. And you can use your player to win battles, take land from other people, and earn rewards in the native token of the platform. Now, if that sounds good, guys, make sure you go and check them out in the link down below, and remember to use the code CryptoGems when you're applying for the whitelist. If you've enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash the like button. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, and the metaverse, then make sure you subscribe to CryptoGems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.